here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag. How are you coping with all the crazy in the world? I hope you are using your imagination for creative, fun things and not to worry, because worry is a waste of your imagination. Today I'm going to give you some possibilities of ways to use half square triangles. If you sign up for my newsletter, I will have each of the 20 blocks that I show here over the weeks. I'm going to give them as a PDF with a quilt layout option. So if you want to sign up for that, go to my website or to my blog and sign up there. So half square triangles are, like I said, very versatile. I have examples all around me here. And however you want to make them, whatever method works for you. There are so many methods to making half square triangles. I like to use my Go Cutter if I have bits to cut up. I have one that does 36 half square triangles that will finish at 2 inches, and that is one of my favorite dies. If I have strips, I like to use Bonnie Hunter's triangle ruler, the essential triangle ruler. I have also used triangles on a roll. I don't really like to rip off the paper, but this is a very accurate and good method. I also, sometimes when you get these bonus triangles when you do the stitch and flip, so this is another way. Like I said, there are lots of ways to get half square triangles. So whatever method you use, that's great. I will put links for the AccuQuilt and the Bonnie Hunter's ruler and triangles on a roll in the description below if you want to use those or use whatever method. Okay, let's get started showing you options of things that you can do with half square triangles. So this pattern here does use the triangles on a row. This is my sunshine on a cloudy day. And this one right here is bear scraps, and I used half square triangles in various sizes to do the bear paws. And this is my mountain retreat, and once again I used various sizes to create the half square triangles, and then I put them on point to make them look like mountains. Okay, this one right here is my blowing in the wind. Can you see that there? Now let's get started with all of these fun blocks. I've had a lot of fun in the last couple days creating all these scrappy half square triangle blocks, and I hope that you will find them useful. And like I said, if you sign up for my newsletter, each week you will get a new one of these blocks in PDF form with a quilt layout. So this one is just putting your half square triangles into rows and sewing them together. That's one block. By switching which way they go, you can make them into rows. This is kind of how I did the sunshine on a cloudy day, and that is block number 2. These ones are like flying geese, how they go around, and it kind of makes the friendship star. That's block number 3. These have the flying geese here, but then they go out and make kind of this X thing. And that's block number 4. These ones kind of look like diamonds, how we put 2 together. And that's block number 5. Block 6 makes a star like this. Block 7 is a broken dishes block here, just put together. This has broken dishes and then rows. This one does the chevron zigzag thing. And this one does the chevron, but they meet coming together. This one kind of just spins around. This one has the diamond in the middle and then frames it. This one has the 4 diamonds with the box coming together. This one has the diamond and then it shoots out from there. This has the flying geese with the pinwheel. This one has the flying geese. This is called, I have a lot of threads here, don't I? This one is called a Dutchman's puzzle. I like this one just because of my Dutch heritage. And this pinwheel, just another pinwheel variation. This pinwheel is framed. This is 4 pinwheels put together. And this is a pinwheel that's kind of like an X. And those are my 20 blocks. I hope you have fun with them. I hope you'll sign up for the newsletter so that you can use them. You can make a sampler. You can make each quilt block make a whole bunch of blocks to make a quilt with just that one block, or you can mix and match. I hope you'll share with me what you do. Remember to like and subscribe for my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.